Crafting with materials and items that you already have is not only a budget-friendly approach, but also a fantastic way to give new life to forgotten items. I have this old bird cage that I spray painted gold, and I'm going to turn it in a vintage style using some laces. At Dollar Tree, I'm going to give it a vintage style using metallic gold acrylic paint with the finger technique. I purchased last year this vintage paper at Temu for $1.99. I really don't know what to do with it. I just buy it because of the beautiful designs. Now it came to my mind that I can create a beautiful garland for a shelf that I have on top of my living room TV. an antique stand that I found in a local thrift store for $2.99. I gave a coat of fake chalk paint, and now I'm using gold metallic acrylic paint with the finger technique in the borders and to mark the designs. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye.